Jain Cadet, I'm Cadet Nandini Pandey. My regimental number UP19 SWA 550661. Today we are going to study freedom struggle and the nationalist movement in India. Freedom struggle. If we talk about the freedom struggle, the Indian independence movement was series of historic event which has a final aim to ending British rule. The first Indian independence start from a Bengal. Um, if we talk about the popular freedom fighter of India, like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Tanya Tope, and Nana Sahib, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Subhash Chandra Bose. These all are a popular freedom fighter of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was a former Prime Minister of India. He was an Indian barrister. He played leading role in the country's struggle independence. He born in 31st October 1875 and died 15 December 1950 in Mumbai. If we talk about the Jawaharlal Nehru, the slogan given by him, Aram Haram Hai. He was a former Prime Minister of India, or you can say the first Prime Minister of India. He was an Indian activist. He played Indian politics before and after independence. Mahatma Gandhi, the best slogan given by him, if you were died tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. If we talk about Bapu or Gandhiji, he was an anti-colonial nationalist and a political ethic. He learned successful campaign for India. He also inspired the movement of in right and freedom. He born 2 October 1869. Women freedom fighter in India history: Sarojini Naidu, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Usha Mehta. If we talk about the Rani Lakshmi Bai, मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी. This slogan given by Lakshmi Bai, and she played an important role to fight against Britisher. She became a symbol of resistance to the Britisher, and she born in 19 November 1828, died 18 June 1858. Sarojini Naidu. If we talk about the Sarojini Naidu, she was also known as the Nightingale of India. And Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet. She was an important figure in that struggle for the independence. Born 13 February 1879. If if we talk about the national movement in India, there is many movements like non-corporation movement, Dandi March, Quit India movement, cost of independence. If we talk about the non-corporation movement, it is all about the self-governments and the obtaining full independence. This movement held on 4 September 1920. If we come to the Dandi March, uh, this movement also known as Satyagraha movement, and this is start from 5 September 90 and 1930. The Quit India movement. This is also known as the August movement, launched in Bombay 9 August 1942. The cost of independence. This is also a nationalist movement in India. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट फ्रॉम अगर हम बात करते हैं एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, तो एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कैडेट आप सब लोगों को जितने भी स्ट्रगल फ्रीडम फाइटर हैं उन सबके नाम आपको याद करने होंगे, क्योंकि एग्जाम में इसके रिगार्डिंग पूछता है. जैसा कि आपको मैंने हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया से पढ़ाया था, उससे रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन उतना उससे नहीं उतना पूछता है जितना आपको फ्रीडम स्ट्रगलर के बारे में पूछता है। तो आप सभी को फ्रीडम स्ट्रगलर के बारे में पढ़ना जरूरी है। और हाँ, हर एक फ्रीडम, जैसा कि मैंने बताया और ऊपर भी मैंने सबके नाम लिए हैं, उन सबके नाम याद करना बहुत जरूरी है अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। थैंक यू, दैट्स इट।